Today I am going to show you some hanging pot which seem to float in the air like this. It's pretty easy to make, and in this video I will show you how I made these type of pots. It's looking very pretty and beautiful. It's a 100% DIY pot and it cost absolutely nothing to make. In this video I will show you how I made these type of pots. So stay in the video until the end. So let's start the video. So here I have taken some small paint box, 1 liter paint box, and I am going to make some hole in the bottom of the paint box and some on the upper side of the paint box. I am making the drainage hole which is very necessary for the every type of pots. Now we have to make some hole on the upper side for the hanging rope. Hole making is done. Now we will color it. Here I have taken acrylic paint for the plastic box. This paint is very good on the plastic box. That's why I have taken this type of paints. It's easily available in the market. I have purchased this color offline. In this color box, total 12 colors are available, and I have taken 2 colors for this pot. Here we are going to color this box. I am using red paint for the first layer. First round has been completed, and after half an hour we will check the color is dry or not, and again we will paint on the box. Here I am going to make some design. I am going to make very simple and easy design on this paint box. The design you like can be made on this box. All the design and colors look good. I must say, always choose bright colors for this type of coloring. Almost the process of the decoration of this paint box has done. So let's go on the terrace with me. This is my another paint box which I have already painted and make some hole too on the bottom, and I am going to fill some soil in it. After filling the soil, I will show you I have planted some small plants in this box which are looking very beautiful. I have planted this plant before 2 months ago, and this is a winter season plant. The name of this plant is Danthus, which is very easily available in the local nursery. And now the time has come to hang it. To hang it we need a strong rope, which I have used a kite string. This rope is also very easily available in the local market. You can go and purchase them. We have to tie up in the hole above. This is very thin rope that is not visible at all, and it's very strong. So I have made my first hanging pot. In this way I will tie all my planters with this rope and prepare them for hanging. This is my hanging stand where I am going to hang my all the planters. So let's start to hang them. We have to tie it carefully so it doesn't fall down. By repeating this process, we have to hang all the planters. And here all the planters are done, and let me show you the overall look. So how did you like this video? If you liked it, then do like, share and comment and subscribe to the channels too. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy gardening.